Good morning, children. Today we are going to read about tenses. Tenses part 2 means continuous tenses. As you know, and as I discussed in my previous videos, that all the three tenses, present, past, future, have four kinds. That's are simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. Today we will read about continuous tenses in present tense, past tense, and future tense. Okay, children? Let's start then with worksheet 1. You can see here there is a passage given. First of all, we will read this passage and see some example. Mr. Ved is in the habit of peeping into Mr. Arya's house to find out what is happening in his house. One day he observes that Mrs. Arya is sleeping and Mr. Arya is reading a newspaper. Nikki is watching television and Sid is clearing off the table. Suddenly Mr. Arya notices Mr. Ved and invites him. Mr. Ved finds that Snoopy is staring at him furiously. It was probably asking, "What are you doing here?" You can see, children, that some verbs are given in black letters: is sleeping, is reading, is watching, is clearing, is staring, was asking, are doing. All these words have helping verb is, are, and was, and main verb is with ing. Ing are common for all these words. Mr. Ved leaves for his own house immediately and tells his wife about his visit to Mr. Arya's house. He tells her that Mrs. Arya was sleeping and Mr. Arya was reading a newspaper. Nikki was watching television and Sid was clearing off the table. Mr. Ved asks his wife, "What is our daughter Millie doing?" Mrs. Ved replies that she is sleeping. Mr. Ved asks her schedule for the next day. She says, I shall be delivering a lecture on the role of mothers in the character building of children." Okay, you can see here, children, that in the second passage, second paragraph, you can see that all the helping verbs are was. Only in some sentences there is, doing, and is sleeping. Otherwise, was has been used. Was sleeping, was reading, was watching, was clearing. It means was is showing the past, an incident which has already happened. And in the next paragraph, she says, "I shall be delivering." Means she has not delivered yet. She is going to be delivered the next day. That's why she is saying that I shall be delivering. It means shall be is denoting the future tense. Okay, children, now let's see what is in worksheet 2, what you have to do. Read the phrases given in bold in worksheet 1 and write them in appropriate columns given below on the basis of the format of tenses given in the previous chapter. The first one has been done for you. Whatever you have read in worksheet 1, I am showing you again. Whatever is in black letters in worksheet 1, you can see here, you have to write these in worksheet 2. according to their tenses. Like if these are is and are, it means they are talking about present tense. You will write these in present tense, present continuous. And if there is was, it means it is talking about past tense. You will write those sentences in past. And here is one sentence: shall be delivering, I shall be delivering a lecture on the role of mothers in the character building of children. You can see here shall be delivering is denoting future tense. That's why you will write this in future continuous. Okay children, worksheet 2 you can complete easily. Now let's see worksheet 3. Taking words from each column from the following table, make at least 8 meaningful sentences. The first one has been done for you. You can see here one chart is given. You have to make 8 sentences from this chart. Let's see first Sippy and Sania. Sippy and Sania, two singular subjects are given. And as you know children that two singular subject makes a plural. Okay, if we will add two singular subject with the help of and, it will become plural. That's why, and with plural subject we use are. Sippy and Sania are. And you can write any from these three. Sippy and Sania are eating apples. Sippy and Sania are throwing the ball. Sippy and Sania are playing games. Anything you can write. But verb, helping verb will be are. I. With I, am is correct. It means we use am with I always. Always remember this, that only am is correct for I in present continuous tense. And present continuous tense shows that what is happening right now. I am. Whatever you want you can write. I am eating apples. I am throwing the ball. I am playing games. Anything you can do. But verb will be, helping verb will be am. They. With they we use are. And from third column you can choose anyone. Rakhi. Rakhi is one single name. That's why we will write is with Rakhi. And from these three, from the third column you can choose anyone. Snoopy is a single name. That's why we will use is with Snoopy. And from these three of the third column you can choose anyone. Like Snoopy is eating apples. Snoopy is throwing the ball. Snoopy is playing games. Anything you can write. Okay children. Now let's see worksheet 4. Observe what is happening around you. Write 10 sentences describing these activities being done by various people. One sentence has been written as an example. What you have to do here, you have to write some sentences describing the activities being done by various people around you. Okay, let's see what is the example given. The teacher is teaching the class. I am reading a book. The girls are talking. The cook is serving the food, or the cook is cooking the food. 5 number you can write. The boys are fighting. My father is reading newspaper. My mother is cooking food. My grandfather is telling a story. I am going to market. My brother is telling a story, my brother is watching a television, anything, any work, any verb with ing. You can write here with suitable helping verb. Always remember one thing, that in present continuous we will use is, am, are. Is with third person singular number, am with I, and are with first person plural number, second person singular and plural number, and third person plural number. Okay children. Now worksheet 5. Let's see what is in this. You can see here that some letters are here. Some letters is given, and according to this letter you have to write what these children are doing. Like one is given as an example, A is jumping into the pool. You can see here A is jumping into the pool. Okay. B is, let's see where is B. B is here just near the corner. B is reading a paper or reading a magazine, anything you can write. C is, let's see where is C. C is swimming. You can see here. O and J are here near the tree. O and J are talking. L and F are, L and F. Let's searching where L and F. Yes, L and F are here in that corner in right hand side. L and F are playing. And in this way children, you have to write all the letters which is denoting the children. What are they doing? You have to write here in the given blank, which you can do easily for your practice. Now let's do some past continuous tense sentences. And in past continuous we will use was and were as helping verb. Again, here is a chart given and you have to make sentences, 6 meaningful sentences you have to do. I. Always remember one thing, that we will use was with I. We will never use were with I. Only in one sentence we can use were with I if we are doing conditional sentence. If we are writing conditional sentences, we have to write were with I. Like, if I were you, I would fly. If I were a bird, I would fly. If I were you, I would stand first in the class. Anything you can write, but it should be a conditional sentence. Not means imaginary sentence. In imaginary sentence you can write I were. Otherwise, in general condition you have to write I was always. I, he, she, any name. Was will be used with them. I was eating ice cream during the recess. I was eating ice cream yesterday. He was eating ice cream during the recess. He was eating ice cream yesterday. Sohan and Mohan. We have discussed above that if two singular subject will be added with and, it will become plural. Sohan and Mohan were eating ice cream during the recess. Sohan and Mohan were eating ice cream yesterday. In the last column, both of the part are correct with any one of it. Rajat was eating ice cream. Rajat was eating ice cream during the recess and yesterday, both are correct. Then they were eating ice cream during the recess and yesterday, both are correct. Okay children, you have to write here. Now worksheet 7, let's see what is in this. The story of the ship Mary Celeste is a mystery. The ship was found abandoned in the Indian Ocean. It was in good condition, but there was no one on the ship. The view inside the ship showed that the crew had left all of a sudden while all of them were doing something. Okay, one picture is given, you can see here, and what you have to do, you have to write a sentence with the help of the word given beside the blank. Someone was shaving his beard. Second, someone was playing. Playing, what you can see in the picture, chess. Someone was playing chess. Someone was eating. Always remember one thing, someone means only one person about talking. Okay, someone means only one person we are talking about. That's why was will be used. And according to the word given in the bracket beside it, beside the blank, you have to write sentence, but always remember that you have to use was as a helping verb. Someone was eating, someone was writing, someone was stitching. And what he was eating, what he was writing, what he was stitching, you can find out from that picture. Okay children, now let's do worksheet 8. In worksheet 8, you can see something is given. One day Snoopy had a dream. In the box, Snoopy's dream is given. I am flying high in the sky. With the help of this, you have to fill this. Let's see. Snoopy's dream, you can see, is in present continuous, and you have to write in past. Not in past continuous, you have to write in simple past. Okay, let's write down. The birds looked at me in an astonished manner. I saw fairies on the way. One fairy played sitar and the other fairies danced to the tune. You can see here it is given already. One fairy is playing sitar and the other fairies are dancing to the tune. But we have to write it played and danced. I was attracted towards them. I saw a water bubble. The bubble danced in the air along with the tune. What is given? The bubble floated in the air. Then I saw that I dash on the bubble. I sat on the bubble. You have to write second form of the verb. Whatever is given, you have to write their second form. Then suddenly the bubble burst and I saw that I dash on the ground. I lied on the ground. I woke up and saw that Nicky and Sid dashed balloons to wake me up. Nicky and Sid burst balloons to wake me up. Okay. Now worksheet 9. Let's see what you have to do here. You have to write 3 sentences. One is already written. With the help of the unit performing arts of your English reader, you are showing monkey show. Okay? Try to recollect and write down the events that were taking place during the monkey show. And for that children, you can take the help of your reader book, English reader of class 6, and then write 3 sentences of past continuous. Always remember past continuous sentences you have to write here. And in worksheet 10, what to do? You have to write some sentences of future continuous. Next Monday, 22nd April, I shall be having a gala time. Gala time means happy time. Nikki is sitting and dreaming about what she will be doing next week. And she is writing her diary entry, daily diary, talking ideas from the picture. I shall be. You can take ideas from here, from the bubbles given here. I shall be enjoying my holiday on the beach. I shall be throwing party with friends, or I shall be doing party with friends. I shall be reading books also. I shall be doing shopping, and anything you can write, but always remember the sentence should be in future continuous tense. Now in worksheet 11 what to do? Let's see. You have set up a WWF club. You have to make a list of the activities that the club plans to do in the forthcoming month. One is given already. The club will be organizing an essay writing competition next month. You can write that the club will be organizing a debate competition next month. The club will be organizing a painting competition next month. The club will be organizing any singing competition next month, dancing competition next month. Any competition you can write, whatever you want to write here. In do it yourself, you have to do, see the picture, and you have to write that two things, what is doing the man or the lady now, the two things what they did just before the scene, and two things what they might do after the scene. One is given as an example. Now let's see the second. The man is scolding the girl. The girl is listening to the man. The girl was singing loudly. The man was getting troubled. The girl will be sitting quietly. The man will be doing his work. Okay children, now let's see the next. Here one situation is given as a picture. You have to look at the picture and write down here according to the above example. In the next question, there are some errors. You have to correct it. One is already given. Mr. Arya are working. You know that with singular subject is we have to use. That's why Mr. Arya is working. Snoopy is. Sleep is wrong here. Snoopy is sleeping. When Mr. Ved peeped into Mr. Arya's house, Nikki was watch. Wrong. Was watching. Nikki and Sid will be gone. Wrong. Will be going. I is eating. No, I am eating lunch. Okay. Now let's see the next. Here one word is missing. You have to write it down and put a slash in place of the missing word. I shall be going. One is given already. Nikki was sleeping when we reached home. Why we will write was before sleeping? Because in the second part of the sentence past tense is given, reached home. That's why was will be written. Nikki was sleeping when we reached home. Mr. Wat dashed trying to jump over the wall when he fell down. Was trying to. Because in the second part past tense is given, Mr. Vad was trying to jump over the wall. You will be going. Snoopy was sleeping in the sun when Nikki threw a pen at him. Okay children, wherever I have told you that there will be a word, put a slash there. Hope you understood all the exercises well. Now if it is helpful to you, Subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.